Have you ever felt uneasy knowing your phone calls might be recorded without your consent? Or maybe you're the one who needs to turn off a call recording on your own device. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable call recording on your iPhone and how to handle a situation where someone else is recording a conversation. First, let's turn off your phone's ability to record calls. This is a simple process and it works for any iPhone running iOS 18 or newer. Open your Settings app. Scroll all the way down, tap on Apps. And now search for Phone. Tap on that. On the next screen, scroll down again and find Call Recording. Simply toggle it off. This will prevent your phone from recording calls you make or receive. What if you're on a call and another person is recording it? Fortunately, Apple has a built-in feature to alert you. When the other person starts recording, you'll hear an automated message that says, "This call will be recorded." This is your cue to take action. You will have two options to stop the recording. During the call, look for a small red square icon on your screen. Tapping this square will immediately stop the recording of that specific call. If you're not comfortable with the call being recorded at all, you can simply hang up. Then call a person back and politely explain that you're not comfortable with the call being recorded. By knowing these two methods, you can take control of your conversations and ensure your privacy. Are you having issues with Face ID on your iPhone? Check out this video to fix it now.